Welcome guys to WoodUbend and Redesign by ByZOLD Copenhagen. Today we're going to transform this mirror frame, and we started by adding the 1418 mold in the middle, and then we're going to add the 1309 at the edges of this frame. So we're going to heat up the mold with a heat gun or a hairdryer, and you want to heat up the mold to the point it becomes flexible and bendable, just like this one. And you're going to add some quality glue, a wood glue, and you can take a brush or you can use your fingers to divide the glue on the entire mold. Make sure you go to all the edges. So beforehand you already decided where you want to place the mold. So place it and press firmly and bend the mold in the exact position that you would like it to stay in. So you can start heating the mold up once more, then it becomes flexible, and once it's placed and it's cooled down, you can just add a bit of tape so that the mold will stay in position while you attend to the other end. So now we're going to do the exact same steps for the second mold, for the second corner. So now you can start painting your piece. Take a smaller brush to paint the molds, because you can get into the little corners, and you can paint the molds in every paint, chalk paint, whatever paint you prefer. And just paint the entire piece in the color you prefer and add your own flavor to the piece. So this is the final piece. Thank you very much for watching.